Oh no. Right, classic one today. We had to track that machine over this bridge. So that got the old heart rate going this morning. It won't be going back over there because it made a little bit too much noise for my liking. Anyway, today's job, we are at the side of a res. You can just about see the water, and we have basically got to take this path 1.2 meters, take out, so you can just see the marks there. So take off, dig off this side, put it on this side, make it nice and level. And then there's going to be some pathway going in right away from that bridge, well, right past the bridge, but we're going to do this side of it first. Right the way down through here, and then down the bottom there, you can just about see the gate. There's going to be a bench going in the bottom there as well. Yeah, I'll just show you, we are literally digging right along the side of the reservoir, which beautiful place. It's yeah, don't make a mistake, eh? Yeah, there you go. I've worked in worse places. Anyway, let's crack up. Right, there's the path. We'll probably have to go up and just double check some measurements and stuff. It needs to be 1.6. The measurement changed, unfortunately, so we had to go up and widen the top bit, but we did that off camera. So it's just a section of now, I just need to double check. What we're doing now, machine, reservoir, we've got to dig out in here for a bench that's going to go in there. This has actually got to be level with this path. There's quite a bit of material that's got to come out, and we've just got to lay it in here. So you can see that's how close to the res we are. This soil here is not in it, but it's very close to the boundary of it, so yeah, so I'm going to be very careful with the machine whilst we come down here. Obviously we're trying to put the blade down, try and get the machine side on, get the blade down so we can level the machine up. So when you cut them with the grading bucket, it gives you a nice flat sort of surface to go across. So yeah, let's just try and get the most of this out as best we possibly can. Sun's not in the best position, but yeah, we'll do what we can do. Alright, there you have it. So, there you go. It's just for like a picnic bench. It's got to go in there. It's still going to be made up into like a pathway and stuff. So I'm going to leave this here for now. Contracts manager want us to sort of genuinely titivate it and spread it about, but it's too much to spread about. Yeah, there you go. Another job complete. Very large reservoir. I've worked in a lot worse places. Just hope the weather stays nice. Right, cheers for watching all. Like, subscribe, all the usual good stuff. Drop a comment if you're unsure of anything or want to ask any questions. And we'll see you in the next one. Right guys, this is the nearly finished pathway that we've been digging out. And you can see the fencing's up and stuff like that, so we'll have a quick walk down through just to show you what it's all about. We've got 100mm stone. These boards, give or take, are 180. 100mm stone compacted, and then we're going to have 80mm of hogin, which is this sort of like golden sandy type of material. You can see the fence has been down here and done all that. We also got to come right the way up through with this hogin to completely finish it. But yeah, it's, you get the gist of it. Yep, so there you go guys. It needs to be rolled, and we've got some benching down at the end here. Gives you an idea of what we've achieved when we're digging it out. Obviously you've seen the digging out. There's the finished area. It's nice.